All right. A very good evening to all those present here. It has been a fun-filled and interesting weekend. This was the very first lockdown MUN, and we are glad to announce that it was a grand success. I would like to thank all the executive board members and the managing committee for making this MUN possible. I would also like to thank all the delegates without whom this MUN would have remained just a plan. Please give a round of applause to yourself and all the others due to which this MUN is a grand success. Lockdown MUN is an initiative to give both first-timers and experienced across the country to experience something which would build them as leaders and give a platform to showcase their skills even in quarantine. We at LMUN strongly believe that age is never a parameter for success. You may be surprised to know that the founder and organizer of this MUN is indeed a student from class 9th. To a sneak peek. Thank you everyone. Firstly, I would like to call the executive board for WHO to announce the results.
All right, thank you for that. So our committee WHO, we had a lot of crises, we had Morse codes, we had a lot of secret codes that we had to do. But what I, as a chair member, am proud of is that not only have my delegates stood by the decisions, not only have my delegates ensured active participation, that they have proved me one thing, that experience doesn't matter. They've proved me one thing, that they as a committee, with irrespective of their country differences, can come together for a joint directive. And in fact, it was a great one. So I also would like to thank the secretariat and my co-EB member for being so cooperative along with my delegates. So I will be announcing the verbal mentions and the special mention. So we have two verbal mentions. The verbal mentions in no particular order goes to USA and Japan. And we felt that these two delegates were equally good enough and had the impact that we need. And moving into the special mention goes to delegate of Spain. This delegate has helped us a lot with the committee, has ensured a lot of involvement and has given great commitment. Now my co-chair will tell the High Com and the BESDEL.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, LMUN was one of the best MUNs I have been an executive board for. Firstly, kudos for the secretariat for putting up such a great effort and pulling this off successfully. And moreover, thank you. I'm grateful for my EB fellow executive board. Thank you, sir, for I learned a lot, and this is a great experience to me. Without further ado, I'll go ahead and announce the high commendation, which is the Delegate of Australia. Delegate of Australia has been extremely great in committee. His point of informations were on point. Going ahead, the Delegate of Germany has secured the Best Delegate Award with absolutely great MUNing skills. He has been backbone for our crisis, and congratulations to all delegates.
Can we have a round of applause for all the winners? Now, I would like to call the Executive Board of AIPPM to announce the results.
देश के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने वर्बल मेंशन लिया है.
Asaduddin Owaisi.
Moving on to the high commendation. दी हाई कॉमन जिसकी भरवाई कर दी हमारे बेस्ट डेलीगेट ने, फर्स्ट टाइमर होम मिनिस्टर साहब अमित शाह. Guys, bye bye.
Thank you. So now I would like to invite the executive board of UNGA to announce the results.
Good evening, everyone. I am the co-chairperson of UNGA. So before announcing the high commendation and best delegate, I would like to say that all of our delegates were first timers, and below 8th grade, all of them were, and only 4 of them. And still we managed to have a thrilling committee, and these first timers weren't, were actually active in the committee and were not even quiet. We had great debate with them. So delegates, please don't get disheartened. You all were great according to your experience. It was your first time and you all did great. So now moving forward to the high commendation. Congratulations, delegate of India. You did great. Your participation was great. You were very active. Your research was very nice because you were then able to take out all the solutions and the flaws in the committee. So kudos for that. Now I would like the chairperson of UNGA, Sachin sir, to announce the best delegate.
Okay, good evening everyone. I am Sachin Sharma, the chairperson of the committee UNGA. This is my one of the best chairing experience. I love chairing the committee. Before the committee, I was thinking that the committee will become bored to some extent because we are having 4 to 5 delegates and in the committee, and all of them are basically first timers. But the committee went really well and interesting. So now coming to the best delegate. So the best delegate goes to the delegate of USA. Congratulations, delegate of USA. You did really well. Thank you.
All right, can we have a round of applause for the participants and winners of UNGA? I would specially like to emphasize on UNGA because as the co-chair and chairperson said, these participants, they were first timers, and you may not believe this, but they were from 5th grade. So you can yourself expect that it would have been a little bit boring, but it was nowhere near that. It was a very thrilling and a very interactive session, as I even came in between, and they were having very heated debates, just like I could see in WHO, AIPPM, and Harry Potter as well. Finally, I would like to call the executive board of our last but not least Harry Potter Fantasy Committee to announce the results.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunitra Bhattacharya. I was the co-chair of the Harry Potter Committee, and since our chair can't join us today, I would be announcing the results. So as Maniama mentioned, our committee was a small one, but the way every single delegate really put themselves out there and interacted with each other, the committee was never dull or lifeless. It was always constantly moving. Everyone was constantly coming up with solutions. And every single delegate did their best to come up with ingenious solutions to the crisis we threw at them. So for that, I would like to congratulate every single delegate that was present there. All of you did really well. Moving on to the awards, the high commendation in the Harry Potter Committee goes to Lucius Malfoy for his brilliant strategic planning that he has displayed from day one and his exemplary speeches. Congratulations, delegate.
Thank you,
The best delegate for the Harry Potter Committee goes to Luna Lovegood. From day one, Luna Lovegood has been sending the executive board such well-written point of informations, point of orders, substantiates, and directives that honestly, when it came down to marking her, honestly, when it came down to marking her, it was a landslide. Luna Lovegood won by a landslide. So congratulations, delegate.
Can we have a round of applause?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
A very hearty congratulations to all the winners as well as the participants, because it is not always the winning that matters, rather whether or not you have put 100% effort. All winners are requested to send their name, portfolio position, and the number on which their prize money is to be transacted on the WhatsApp groups by 9 p.m. today. All the certificates will be sent to the delegates by Monday evening on their mail IDs. Go ahead. Sis and Bro, our YouTube collaborator, has sponsored the cash prizes for the executive board members.
शबरी अब तो गाना पड़ेगा अब तो मस्त गाते हैं
शबरी फंड्स भी आ गए शबरी फंड्स आ गए शबरी अब तो गाना ही पड़ेगा
Guys, all EV members are requested. Guys, all EV members are requested to send their details to LMUN as well, as I had instructed for the delegates, and all of them will get
actually
these cash.
हमें ग्रुप पे डालना है डिटेल्स या फिर डीएम करना है?
डाल दे
DM me.
DM who?
LMUN, the number on which I've been interacting with you all.
So the cash prizes for each of the EB member is 100 rupees. And so once all EB members send their details, we will be sharing the prizes with them. On the behalf of LMUN, I wish you all a great journey ahead and look forward to having you with us at LMUN 2. So this is just a start. We have a lot more coming, and I think we are a team now. And we look forward to having you guys in our next version with new tweaks in it, new excitement, and a lot more which will be posted. So stay connected, and we will keep uploading our new upcoming exciting events on it.
Also, right before we leave for the open mic, which I am doubtful will happen, I want to tell you guys a little bit about Sis and Bro. Sis and Bro is a sister and brother duo. You can follow them on their Insta ID. It is @SisandBro2020. We have also shared the link with you guys on the WhatsApp groups. Please go and subscribe to them as well. So they are our YouTube collaborator, and as I mentioned before, they have sponsored the cash prizes for our EV. So can we please have a round of applause for Sis and Bro as well?